Making a recording of the sewer line here at 930 Olympic Ave in Edmonds. Date's May 12th, 2021. I am sitting down at the property line here where the homeowner's responsibility for the sewer ends in the city of Edmonds. I'm going to push a little bit down into it there just so you can see. We're down in the 6-inch diameter section off property. I located this already. We're going to come back into the 4-inch diameter section of sewer now here. This is clay sewer line, 4 inches in diameter, seam approximately every 2 feet. As of right now, the sewer looks to be in pretty good shape. What we found when we were down in here was a cap that had fallen into the sewer line, and that cap had caused a clog. And wasn't really anything functionally wrong with the sewer here. So, coming back into a section, there's a small lip there in this ABS pipe, where this pipe is settled just a hair. And pulling up out of the cleanouts there, we're going to go upstream real quick. This is a dual sweep clean out we installed here. Upstream into that clay again. You see a little bit of buildup still from when this backup occurred. And it's going to come up to a cookie on the back side of a Y that shoots us back into the house. That's as far as I'm going to be able to camera. That is a cap. So, ending the video there. Seen the whole line.